Alright guys, today we're going to do a review on the bacon wrap mac and cheese meatballs that I purchased at the Finch market. I just want to say that when I walked into the store, it was very clean and very organized. The staff was very polite and they were even able to help me with the instructions on how to cook these meatballs. Alright guys, so we are just going to let this heat up, get it up to about 350 degrees. For 30 to 40 minutes is what I was told. So we are currently at about 250. This is what we got. Now I'm going to do it on the grill top here, cast iron grill top, just in case any of the cheese for the mac and cheese drips out. No fires or anything like that, and it should be a little bit easier to clean up. Alright, we'll be back. Alright, so they're on. We will start the timer and come check the temperature again in a little bit. Just make sure it's at the right temperature. Alright, so I put them up on their side so that we can get all of the sides nice and golden like the bottom and the top are. We're getting a little bit of color on them. The bacon is starting to cook up real nice and nothing is burning so far. At this point the meatballs are pretty much done. You can leave them like this or you can put some barbecue sauce on them. I'm going to put some barbecue sauce on them now. The meatballs are now cooked and we're going to slice them open. Alright, now for the review. The meatballs are not too big, and they're not too small. Also, the mac and cheese to meat ratio is just perfect. There's not too much and there's not too little. The mac and cheese tasted amazing, and it was still intact. It did not squish or break apart. Perfect. You can tell the amazing quality of the products that they use to make these mac and cheese meatballs. There's nothing else I've ever tasted like it that you can get in any big box store. So in conclusion, this product is just simply amazing. Go pick yourself up some today at the Finch Market. Once again, thank you for watching, and if you did like the video, please hit the subscribe button and don't forget to click the notification bell so that you get notified on all of our new videos. We post one new video each week.